हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू यू इन एमन सर क्लासेस। बच्चों, आज वर्क एनर्जी पावर के टॉपिक से हम एक अच्छी प्रॉब्लम को डिस्कस करेंगे अपनी इस क्लास में, जो अप्लाइड और फ्रिक्शन फोर्सेस से रिलेटेड है। सो आइए पहले प्रॉब्लम पढ़ लेते हैं। एंड द प्रॉब्लम सेज ए बॉडी ऑफ मास 4 kg इज इनिशियली एट रेस्ट. It starts moving under the action of a horizontal force of 8 newtons on a table with coefficient of kinetic friction 0.1. Then the question says, why find work done by the applied force in 6 seconds, find work done by the friction force in 6 seconds, find work done by the net force on the body in 6 seconds, also find change in kinetic energy in 6 seconds in the D part of the question. तो आइए बच्चों देखते हैं how do we carry on with the solution of this question. देखिए, सबसे पहले हमारा काम होता है go through the problem once or twice and then try to collect the data regarding the problem. तो देखिए, सबसे पहले mass of the body is given to be 4 kg, right? Applied force is 8 newtons, coefficient of friction is 0.1. There is mentioning of frictional force, it is not given. small f मान लेते हैं इसको, right? और a एक्सेलरेशन मान लेते हैं, और हम क्योंकि फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स की बात हुई है तो इसमें a1 रिटार्डेशन को मान लेते हैं. दिस इज रिटार्डेशन. इसकी क्यों जरूरत है अभी आपको पता लगेगा. एक्सेलरेशन, राइट? तो देखिए बच्चों, सबसे पहले हम फाइंड करेंगे बॉडी का एक्सेलरेशन. एक्सेलरेशन फाइंड करेंगे. इट इज फोर्स, अप्लाइड फोर्स इनटू मास इनटू एक्सेलरेशन. सो दिस कम्स आउट टू बी F upon m, which is your 8 by 4, which is your 2 meter per second square. First of all, now we find the retardation of the body. It is frictional force, mass into retardation, acceleration A, but frictional force is mu times the normal reaction. It is also mu times mg, so it comes out to be 0.1 into 4 into 10, so it finally comes out to be 4 newtons is the frictional force. So for 4 newton is the friction force, 4 is the mass, 1 is the retardation. Retardation comes out to be 1 meter per second square. Why? Because in 6 seconds, applied force is acting on the body as well as friction force is also acting on the body. Still the body is moving, which means the net acceleration on the body. Net acceleration on the body is, let us say, it is a dash, a minus a1, so it is a 2 minus 1, which is your 1 meter per second square. 6 seconds में बॉडी पे एक्सेलरेशन भी लगता है, रिटार्डेशन भी लगता है. नेट एक्सेलरेशन कितना लगता है, हम एक्सेलरेशन में से रिटार्डेशन माइनस कर देंगे. अब ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस, सबसे पहले वर्क डन बाय द अप्लाइड फोर्स, इसे मान लीजिए W1 कहते हैं. इट इज कैपिटल F मल्टीप्लाइड बाय द डिस्टेंस. एंड हाउ डू यू फाइंड द डिस्टेंस? विद डिस्टेंस आप नेट एक्सेलरेशन की हेल्प से फाइंड करेंगे. एंड दैट डिस्टेंस कम्स आउट टू बी ut plus half at square using simple equation of motion. A dash square, actually u is 0, the body is initially at rest, so u is 0, so it is your 0 plus half into 1 into 6 square, so this comes out to be 1 by 2 multiplied by 36, or it is 18 meters is the distance, right? So what is the work done by the applied force? It is applied force 8 newton multiplied by the distance covered by the body in 6 seconds. It is your 18. So it comes out to be 144. 144 joules is the work done by the applied force. Now let us talk about work done by the, I think I should solve the question over here. The B part of the question, work done by the friction force. It is small f multiplied by distance. Friction force, what is the magnitude of friction force? Magnitude of the friction force is 4 newtons multiplied by the displacement, that is 18 meters. So it comes out to be 72 meters. What is the net work done? It is W1 minus W2. 144 multiplied by 72. So it comes out to be 72 joules. Right? It is the net work done. And what is finally the change in kinetic energy of the body? The change in kinetic energy can be represented by delta Ke. It is final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. Listen, since initially the body is at rest, so initial kinetic energy is 0. There is only final kinetic energy, it is half mv square. Let us replace them with the help of their values. And what is this V? How do you calculate V? I find it over here. There is a small space. V is equal to U plus AT, right? It is your V, it is your 0, it is the net acceleration with which the body is moving. That is 1 multiplied by 6. So 6 meter per second is the final velocity. So it is a half mv square. So it is a 2 multiplied by 36, that is 72 joules is the net final kinetic energy of the body. So it is a good problem, it is a simple problem, it is a good case study. आप इसे एक या दो बार ध्यान से देखिए, सॉल्यूशन को समझिए, एक बार अपने आप घर में टेक सम टाइम and try to solve the problem on your own. I hope the problem will be easily understandable to you and you will feel good after understanding the problem completely and can attempt such problems in your examinations. So hope you must have understood the problem. Catch you later in the next class with some more key concepts. Till then, bye.